To get a perfect image from metaai, you'll want to craft a prompt that's clear, specific, and detailed. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you write an effective prompt. Define your subject. What do you want to see in the image? For example, animal, landscape, object, person. Describe the setting. Where does the scene take place? For example, forest, city, beach. Specify the style. Do you want a realistic, cartoonish, or abstract image? Add details. Include specifics about colors, textures, lighting, and emotions you want to convey. Define the mood. What's the atmosphere or feeling you want the image to evoke? Example prompt structure. Generate an image of subject in setting with style and details that evokes mood. Example prompt. Generate an image of a serene mountain lake at sunset with warm golden lighting, surrounded by evergreen trees and a few sailboats in the distance. In a realistic style that evokes peacefulness.